Hey folks, my name is Chris at Hauseit, and today we're going to talk about a question that many buyers often ask us because it's mentioned quite often by real estate agents, especially here in Miami, South Florida, and that is, what are window treatments? Well, when a real estate agent mentions that the property you're viewing is, quote unquote, developer ready or it needs window treatments and such, what they mean is shades and curtains, to put it bluntly. Window treatments is a more expansive terms for all different types of ways you can quote unquote treat your windows and essentially cover them or block sunlight with them. And because it varies these days, right? So there's some folks who prefer curtains, drapery. Others prefer just having shades, whether they be manual or motorized. There are different types of window treatments out there. That's what we mean. And in another video, we'll also explain what developer ready means, because oftentimes new construction buildings will be developer or decorator ready, meaning they don't have things such as window treatments, and it's really up for you or your decorator or designer to pick out the window treatments that you want. So for some, again, it might be drapery, it might be a fixed track curtains, it might be full track curtains, it might be just solar shades, it might be solar shades with a blackout shade behind, it might be blackout drapes with a solar sort of lighter drapery in front. So it really is up to you, and of course the whether you have it be motorized or not also depends on your personal preference as well. Many folks prefer, hey, maybe I'll spend a bit more money and get motorized, shades and such in the master bedroom. But for the other bedrooms, perhaps the guests and the kids and such, they can deal with manually pulled shades themselves, and that's going to save some money. And as an additional benefit, having manually pulled shades, well, it's harder to break, I would say, and especially if you end up renting your property later, it's one less thing that you might potentially have to call in an electrician to fix if it breaks. So that's what we mean by window treatments. If you need any help with buying or selling in South Florida or New York, we cover both areas. We cover Miami-Dade County, where we're headquartered, Broward County, Palm Beach County, St. Lucie and Martin counties, and in New York City, we cover Manhattan, actually all 5 boroughs, all of Long Island, and the Hudson Valley. We can help you save all 6% when you sell with our agent-assisted FSBO listing service. And if you want something a bit more hands-on, we have our 1% for full-service listing option, where an agent on our side handles everything for you. And when you're buying, we have our Hauseit buyer closing credit program, where our buyer's broker will give you 2/3 of whatever commission they earn, subject to us keeping a minimum of 1%. 2/3 can be quite a lot in South Florida, as some new construction buildings will often offer more than 3%, for example, 5, 6, or 7% in some new developments. And that can be quite substantial and more than cover your closing costs. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.